Hello and welcome. The shop floor is an essential part of PrintVis. It is essential that shop floor workers and shop floor managers both know how to operate in this end of the software. Here, we can start off with the shop floor role center. As you can see here, there is no user logged in. The most important part of this role center is the login/logout button here. So this is the first page that a shop floor worker will see before they have logged in. Simply click this login logout button, and now we're presented with a list of PrintVis users. For this example, I will choose Peter Printer, and I will click the Select This option here. If this is a shop floor worker's first time on the shop floor, they'll simply click New Login and type in their user ID here. Now that I'm selected as Peter Printer, we can see my role center here. We can see here we have 6 tiles for today and 52 tiles overall. A shop floor worker will only really be concerned with the today tile. So let's hop right in. As you can see here, we have 6 jobs under the plan row. For this example, I will choose job 45. Simply click this job. And now, if I'm a shop floor worker and I would like to record time printing, I will simply click production. This green tile will signal that production is being recorded. As this is going, we can close down here. The job will still run. This green tile indicates that the job is running and time is being recorded. We can close this as well. And here we can see our first item on the shop floor role center, Insights. Insights will show any jobs that are currently running, and this is extremely useful to see for a user, such as Peter Printer, what jobs are currently running under his user. This can be filtered by a user. Just like I said, we can see all jobs that are currently running under Peter Printer. We can filter this by department, showing all jobs between various users that fall under the same department. In this job that I'm running here, we're running a job in the pre-press department. So all pre-press jobs will show up if department is selected. We can also choose cost center, and the same will go for cost center as well. So all users that are using sheet fed offset will be shown here on the Insights. Now I'll simply go back to the job. We can see here that the tile is still green, indicating that time is being recorded. And now I'll simply click the Stop Job tile. If I'm a worker and I need to, for instance, go on a lunch break or to spend time away from the job, I'll simply click on one of these tiles under Indirect Time. Here I click lunch break, and now time is being recorded. I'll click close, and here we can see again under Insights that lunch break is being recorded here. Started at 8:14, and now it'll go until I click stop. So I'll wait a few minutes, and then we'll go right back to it. Now that indirect time has been recorded, click the Stop Time tile here. Click close, and now if we refresh, we can look at our recordings under Time Recordings. And here we can see time that we just recorded under Production will be shown here for 3 minutes. If we want to look at the indirect time, click Indirect Hours button here. Here we can see the lunch break from 8:14 that we just recorded for 1 minute. Now that we've covered login, logout, indirect hours, and time recordings, let's look at the come/leave entries. This is a record of every time that a user has logged in and will log out of the system. Since I'm currently logged in, nothing is shown, but the moment I log out of Peter Printer, my times will show in this list here. Now that we've covered every button up here, let's look at the tabs down below. So Insights we have already gone over that will show all active jobs that are running and can be filtered by user, department, company, cost center, and job ticket. So Insights we've already gone over, this will show all active jobs that are currently running, and they can be filtered by job ticket, user, cost center, department, and company. Here we see a totals tab, which will show the total amount of hours that have been recorded under this user. This will show the direct hours, such as the production time that we just recorded, as well as the indirect hours, such as the lunch break that we recorded. And the efficiency field will be the ratio between the two. Shop floor workers do not need to necessarily pay attention to the PrintVis charts or the My Notifications sections. These sections are really only acknowledged by the shop floor manager. Lastly, a shop floor worker should be familiar with the Activities button here. Simply click Activities, and now for example, if Peter Printer does not want to use a sheet-fed offset press, he'll simply go to Select Cost Center and click this button here. And now we have a list of cost centers to choose from. As we can see here, if I choose Web Offset Press and click OK, the roll center has now completely changed with 4 jobs today and 4 jobs total.